Did you know the toothpaste you use every morning is made from animal bones? Welcome to the world's largest toothpaste.
Every day, thousands of kilograms of carefully selected animal bones arrive at the factory. Each
Bones are heated in massive high-temperature furnaces, a process called calcination. This transforms. After calcination, the powder undergoes hydroxyapatite extraction. This ultrafine material is essential for repairing agents.
The next step is the mixing process. The fine powder is combined with other ingredients like fluoride, flavoring, and
The paste is now ready to be packaged. High-speed filling machines pour toothpaste into tubes, seal them tightly, and label each one.
From raw animal bones to minty toothpaste in your bathroom, this massive factory transforms raw materials into a product millions of people use daily.
Did you know that the toothpaste you use every morning starts its journey as animal bones? Every day, thousands of kilograms of animal bones arrive at the factory. Each bone is carefully cleaned.
The bones are heated in giant high-temperature furnaces in a process called calcination. This transforms the bones into calcium-rich powder.
Every day, thousands of kilograms of animal bones arrive at the factory. Each bone is carefully cleaned, sorted. Next, the calcined bones are processed to extract hydroxyapatite, an ultrafine mineral essential for repairing enamel and the fine powder is now blended with other ingredients like fluoride, flavoring, and stabilizers to form toothpaste.
Once the paste is ready, it moves to high-speed filling machines. Tubes are filled precisely, sealed tightly, and labeled instantly.
From raw animal bones to minty toothpaste in your bathroom, this massive factory transforms ordinary materials into a product millions of people use daily.
Ever wondered what goes into the toothpaste you brush with every morning? Believe it or not,
Thousands of kilograms of animal bones arrive daily. Each bone is cleaned, sorted, and inspected for quality. Only the bones are heated in massive high-temperature ovens in a process called calcination. This transforms the
Next, the calcium powder undergoes hydroxyapatite extraction, a secret ingredient that repairs enamel and prevents cavity.
The fine powder is now blended with fluoride, mint flavor, and stabilizers to form the familiar toothpaste.
The paste moves to high-speed tube filling machines. Tubes are filled, sealed, labeled, and packed into boxes.
From raw animal bones to minty toothpaste in your bathroom, this massive factory transforms ordinary materials into a product. Yes, well, animal bones. Collected, cleaned, and inspected under strict quality controls. Nothing moves forward unless it.
This is not a small factory. This is one of the largest toothpaste production facilities on Earth.
This powder is refined into hydroxyapatite, a mineral that closely matches human tooth enamel. It helps repair
The mineral powder is blended with fluoride, stabilizers, and flavoring. The machines rotate at precise speeds.
Now comes the fastest part of the process. Tubes are filled, sealed, labeled, and boxed at lightning speed.
From animal bones to minty freshness, this is the hidden journey behind a product most of us never question. You brush your teeth every day, but this toothpaste starts from animal bones.
This is one of the largest toothpaste factories in the world, producing millions of tubes every month.
These bones are carefully cleaned and inspected before entering the production line.
At extremely high temperatures, the bones are transformed into mineral-rich material.
This powder becomes a key ingredient used to strengthen tooth enamel.
This is where toothpaste gets its smooth texture and familiar look. Thousands of toothpaste tubes are filled, sealed, and packed every hour.
Each tube passes multiple quality checks before leaving the factory.
Animal bones are rich in calcium and phosphorus, essential minerals for strong teeth.
The entire process takes place in a sterile, medical-grade environment.
Every particle is refined to microscopic perfection.
In 1 hour, this factory produces more toothpaste than some countries do in a day.
These toothpaste tubes are shipped to dozens of countries worldwide.
The production follows strict international health and safety standards.
Perfect timing. Perfect flow. Perfect precision.
You use toothpaste every day, but very few people know how it's really made.
This massive facility operates around the clock to produce toothpaste on an industrial scale.
Carefully selected raw materials arrive at the factory and are prepared for processing.
This powder is combined with other ingredients to create the toothpaste base.
Large industrial mixers ensure a smooth, consistent texture. High-speed machines fill thousands of tubes every hour with perfect accuracy.
Each tube is measured to ensure the exact amount of toothpaste.
Tubes are sealed, labeled, and packed automatically.
This factory produces toothpaste used by millions of people worldwide.
The minerals extracted help strengthen tooth enamel and protect oral health.
From raw materials to finished toothpaste, Antole, the transformation is complete. No music, just machines running non-stop at full scale.
You use toothpaste every day, but very few people know how it's actually made.
This is one of the largest toothpaste factories, operating at an industrial scale.
This process extracts essential minerals used in toothpaste. The material is refined into an ultra-fine powder.
This powder becomes part of the toothpaste formula.
Giant mixers blend everything into a smooth paste.
Precision machines control texture, density, and consistency. The entire process takes place in a clean, controlled environment.
Samples are tested continuously to maintain quality.
This toothpaste is used by millions of people worldwide.